what we are describing here is the continuation of this pattern of DevOps into MLOps and now into automating and streamlining knowledge-intensive workflows using large language model agents. And that's the continuation of the LLM products that we have been seeing, where we saw ChatGPT, which was mostly a large language model with a user interface. And then people got excited about RAG. They realized RAG is way more complicated than just a vector DB and a UI. So we started thinking about working memories and guardrails and refinements and all of those things to build production-ready RAGs. And as we were going in that direction, all of a sudden we realized, oh, we can also use the reasoning abilities for planning and function calling and create working memories for them. And very quickly we said, oh, this looks like an agent. It is making decisions and taking actions. And this is where we are right now. A lot of us are very excited about what would this look like in production. But I think the next step in this journey is systems that involve multiple agents or orchestrated and collaborate with each other. And a lot of people are very interested in systems that are fully autonomous. But I think if we have learned anything from autonomous driving, is that's probably a little more unlikely in the short term. And the engagement of human agents in this system will be very likely. So what we really need to figure out, especially when you're talking about very complex workflows that we will talk about, you need to figure out how the humans and these agents can collaborate with each other and achieve objectives together. In the near-term version of knowledge ops that I'm interested in, what will happen is that we can look at the landscape in this way, where there are workflows that we are interested in automating or augmenting, and their level of complexity is very different. Also, there is an independent but correlated variable is how much best practices and level of bars on accuracy is how tight they are. And then on the vertical axis in this landscape, there is how much process data we have about it. So you could imagine things that we have a lot of process data and their complexity isn't huge, and there are well-established best practices for them. Some examples of those are like linguistic tasks, like here is a bunch of text, summarize it for me. In the area where the complexity is larger, but we have a lot of process data, verifiable tasks like coding and math are good examples of stuff that are up here. And obviously a lot of players are very motivated also to collect data about this because these are applicable in a lot of domains. Then at the bottom, when the complexity is low and there's not a ton of data available and the accuracy requirements are pretty tight, usually what we do is RPA type of activities or very tight workflows. And admin work is a common example that we've been doing in many of the recent years. And there's this whole body of stuff in this corner that really don't fit any of these. And there are not many good solutions for these ones.